Kicking off our list is the DMM series Bihui Diamond Drill and Mill Bit, a must-have for precision tile work. This heavy-duty attachment seamlessly transforms your angle grinder into a highly capable milling and drilling machine. Featuring top-grade diamond grit, it effortlessly enlarges, shapes, or bevels existing holes in hard materials like porcelain and granite. The robust design ensures minimal chipping while delivering an exceptionally smooth finish on your most demanding projects. Any professional tile setter knows the frustration of a poorly fitted pipe or fixture, but this bit eliminates that headache entirely. It is the perfect upgrade for taking your finishing work to the absolute highest professional standard. When you need to carve out deep cavities or sculpt wood, the ManPay 4-inch hole cutter from KAT is an absolute game-changer. This beastly attachment mounts directly to your grinder and utilizes 3 interchangeable sanding tools to tackle massive material removal. The true magic lies in its impressive 22-inch extended reach, allowing you to plunge deep into hollow vessels or tight spaces with unmatched control. Crafted from durable materials, the razor-sharp cutting head powers through the toughest hardwoods with surprising ease and safety. Woodworkers and sculptors will find this tool completely redefines their approach to bowl turning and deep texturing. Once you experience the sheer carving power of this extension, you will never look at your grinder the same way again. The Mechanic Liner 115 to 125 completely redefines accuracy when you need to make long, straight cuts with your angle grinder. By acting as a guiding sled for your 115 or 125 millimeter grinder, it eliminates the dangerous wobble that ruins expensive tiles. You simply lock your grinder into the carriage and it glides smoothly across the material for absolutely flawless, factory-grade edges. It is specifically engineered to catch dust efficiently when paired with a vacuum, keeping your workspace incredibly clean and safe. Whether you are slicing through thick porcelain or natural stone, this linear guide ensures your blade stays perfectly true on the line. It is a brilliant way to achieve wet saw precision right on the job site without dragging around bulky equipment. Dust control is critical on any job site, and the CutBuddy LT is here to keep your lungs safe and your cuts visible. This universally adaptable dust shroud easily retrofits onto most standard angle grinders to capture hazardous silica dust right at the source. Engineered with a durable, clear polycarbonate body, it allows you to maintain perfect visibility of your cutting line at all times. The adjustable depth of cut mechanism gives you complete control over your blade penetration for highly consistent tuck pointing or crack chasing. It effortlessly hooks up to your favorite shop vacuum to pull up to 99% of airborne particles before they escape. Professional contractors rely on this simple yet highly effective attachment to comply with strict safety regulations on indoor projects. Creating perfect rounded edges on hard tiles is effortless with the DGWB Huey Premium Bullnose grinding wheel. This specialized diamond wheel attaches straight to your grinder's spindle to shape flawless bullnose profiles on stone, marble, or porcelain. The continuous diamond rim is vacuum brazed, ensuring an incredibly long lifespan and a remarkably smooth, chip-free finish every single time. It entirely eliminates the need for expensive, specialized edge profiling machinery by turning your everyday grinder into a precision shaping tool. Tile installers love how quickly it glides along the edge of a stair tread or countertop to create a luxurious, polished transition. You can use it wet or dry, making it a highly versatile addition to any mobile toolkit. Sometimes the standard arbor of your grinder just cannot reach into tight corners, which is exactly where the MaxShine Rotary Extension shaft set steps in. This brilliant set of solid stainless steel shafts threads directly onto your grinder to instantly extend your working reach. You can even link the different shaft lengths together to create a custom extension for deep polishing, sanding, or grinding tasks. The precisely machined threads ensure a rock-solid, wobble-free connection that spins true even at high revolutions per minute. Automotive detailers and metal fabricators consider these extensions absolutely vital for working inside wheel wells, pipes, or complex engine bays. It is a remarkably simple but incredibly effective way to unlock entirely new applications for your favorite power tool. The Tolson Angle Grinder stand instantly transforms your handheld 115mm or 125mm grinder into a highly precise mini chop saw. Built with a heavy-duty cast-iron base, this sturdy holder firmly locks your tool in place for safe, repeatable cutting operations. The integrated clamping mechanism securely holds your metal pipes, rebar, or wooden dowels at exact angles for perfectly square or mitered cuts. It features a smooth, spring-loaded pivot arm that gives you the controlled, downward cutting motion of a dedicated benchtop machine. This setup is perfect for small fabrication shops or garage hobbyists who need chop saw accuracy without giving up precious workbench space. It is a massive upgrade in both safety and precision for anyone tackling repetitive cutting tasks. For blending, finishing, and deburring metal, Norton flap wheels remain the undisputed champions of the angle grinder world. These abrasive attachments feature overlapping flaps of premium cloth that gradually wear away to constantly expose fresh, sharp cutting grains. As they spin, they conform beautifully to irregular shapes and contours, making them far superior to rigid grinding discs for detail work. Whether you are smoothing out harsh weld seams or stripping away heavy rust, they leave behind a remarkably uniform, brushed finish. Norton's advanced abrasive technology means these wheels cut faster, run cooler, and last significantly longer than standard hardware store alternatives. They provide the perfect balance between aggressive material removal and refined surface conditioning in one single step. The Ruby Pro Edger is a sophisticated tile, beveling, and mitering system that completely revolutionizes edge finishing for angle grinders. By locking your grinder into its precision-machined aluminum chassis, it allows you to glide along the edge of any tile to create perfect 45-degree miters. It utilizes high-quality diamond milling bits to shave the material away cleanly, ensuring your delicate porcelain edges never chip or crack. The system includes integrated dust extraction ports to keep your sightlines clear and your lungs protected during heavy milling sessions. Professional tile layers use this tool to achieve flawless, factory-style jolly edges on site, without needing a massive wet saw. It guarantees that your external corners will look incredibly sharp and seamlessly professional on every single installation. When you need to aggressively texturize concrete or strip away thick coatings, the Acton Tool 5-inch bush hammer is an absolute monster. This heavy-duty attachment features multiple rolling heads lined with ultra-hard tungsten carbide teeth that mercilessly pulverize the surface below. As you glide it across the floor, it creates a rough, slip-resistant profile that is absolutely perfect for preparing concrete for new overlays or epoxy. It easily chews through stubborn, thin-set, thick paints and tough mastics that would instantly clog up standard diamond cup wheels. The integrated shock-absorbing system reduces operator fatigue, making large-scale surface preparation surprisingly manageable with a standard handheld grinder. It is the ultimate contractor-grade weapon for exposing aggregate and prepping tough, industrial floors. This specialized 220-volt floor tile seam cleaning attachment completely transforms a standard grinder into a dedicated dust-free grout removal system. Designed specifically for the beauty seam process, it guides your cutting blade perfectly down the grout line to clear out old, dirty material. The fully enclosed shroud and integrated vacuum port work together to completely eliminate the massive dust clouds usually associated with grout removal. Built-in guide wheels ensure the blade stays perfectly centered in the joint, protecting your expensive tiles from accidental scratches or gouges. It is an absolute necessity for remodeling contractors or homeowners looking to prep their floors for fresh, clean epoxy grout. This ingenious design turns a messy, tedious, and highly risky job into a fast, precise, and completely manageable task. The Hydro Tailwater Dust Suppression attachment offers a highly innovative, vacuum-free solution to hazardous airborne dust. Instead of relying on heavy suction, this clever device straps to your grinder and sprays a fine, targeted mist of water directly onto the cutting zone. This continuous flow of water instantly knocks down harmful silica dust particles before they can ever become airborne and enter your lungs. Beyond superior dust control, the constant stream of water actively cools your diamond blades, significantly extending their lifespan and cutting efficiency. It connects easily to a standard garden hose or portable pump tank, making it highly adaptable for both indoor and outdoor job sites. It is the perfect budget-friendly upgrade to ensure absolute safety compliance and maintain a much cleaner work environment. The ArborTech Tools Power Chisel completely reinvents your angle grinder by converting its rotary motion into aggressive, reciprocating chiseling action. This fascinating attachment clicks right into place, providing the fast, effortless carving power of a pneumatic hammer without the need for an air compressor. It includes a variety of interchangeable steel gouges and chisels that effortlessly bite through the hardest woods at the press of a button. The tool only engages the chisel when pressed against the material, making it incredibly safe and highly controllable for intricate, detailed woodworking. Furniture makers and log builders rely on this tool to quickly remove large chunks of background material or add rich, hand-carved textures. It is an incredibly satisfying tool to use, blending brute mechanical force with the delicate touch of a master carver. Finishing off our ultimate attachment list are the legendary chisel contour wheels, designed specifically for aggressive, freehand wood shaping. These rugged, dish-shaped wheels are coated in incredibly sharp tungsten carbide burrs that effortlessly shred through wood, plastic, or rubber. The slightly rounded profile is perfect for sculpting fluid, convex, and concave shapes, making it a favorite among power carvers and bowl makers. Unlike traditional sandpaper flap discs, these carbide teeth heavily resist loading up with pitch, ensuring they keep cutting aggressively for years. They leave a relatively smooth surface behind while allowing for massive, rapid material removal with remarkably light pressure. Whether you are carving a wooden seat or shaping a custom guitar body, these wheels give you unparalleled control over your artistic vision. These 14 attachments prove that your angle grinder is truly the most versatile powerhouse in your entire hardware lineup. If you found the perfect upgrade for your kit today, make sure to drop a like and subscribe to Top Tech Tools for more heavy machinery and specialized tool breakdowns.